Hi everyone, welcome to Apromo Trading B2B portal instruction video. Once the system admins at Apromo Trading invite you to their B2B portal, you will receive an email similar to this. Please open that email, and on that email you can accept the invitation. Once you click on accept the invitation, it will take you to the portal where you can enter your password. So the password has some requirements, for example, number of characters, uppercase and lowercase, and also special characters. Once you set up your password, click submit, and now you're logged into the B2B portal. You can bookmark the page in your browser, but the link to the portal is also included on the invitation email as well. To logging in, of course, your email is your username and the password is the password that you just set, as we saw a few seconds ago. So once you log into the portal, the first thing you can see that you're logged in as yourself. When you click here, you can see the addresses that you have in the system that comes from your profile, from the backend of the system. You can change password if you need to. You can view all the orders that you had previously, and you can also create quick orders, as we will see in the next few minutes. So the portal itself is just like any other e-commerce platforms. So you have vertical and horizontal navigations on the top and on the side. So you can put filters by brands or categories. If you want to see all brands, for example, you just click on show all. And when you click on a specific brand, the results will be filtered and it's going to show you only products from that specific brand or that specific product. That specific category. You can also change the sorting from here. So as you can see, next to each product we have a heart icon, and that means you can actually bookmark that product if that is a product that you buy regularly and you don't want to search for that product every single time. So for example, if I always buy this product, I can simply add that product to my favorite list, and also maybe this product. So to access those products, as you can see here on the top, there's a heart icon, and I can always go to that page and see all the products that I marked as favorite. To go back to the home page, I can simply click on the logo and it's going to take me back to the home page of the portal. For the product itself, when we are looking at the product, I can, of course, we can see the image of the product. We can quickly add that product to our shopping cart. We can see the description and the SKU or the product code. We can also see the stock status, so that product is currently in the stock. And I can also see the price that I am getting that product for. So this is my price. So the price that has been crossed over, that is basically coming from my price tier, but I'm getting this product, for example, for $82.20. And this is just an example. I'm logged in as a right test customer. To view more details about the product, I can simply click on that product or click on the quick view. And now the system actually shows me the more details of that product. So I can still see the name. If there are more images, I can see all the images here. And I can also go into that product page directly, and it just shows me the same information. If a product has description or more information, they will show in the product page. For example, here I can see that this product has some specifications, for example, the dimension of the product. I can see that details showing up here. So now let's go and start placing some orders. And as you can see, just like any other e-commerce platform, you can actually open products into multiple tabs. So if you want to view this product without leaving the home page, you can simply right click, open in a new tab, or just hold the control key and click tab, and it's going to open that product in a new tab for you. So to start our ordering process, so I'm going to add maybe one of these product. So I can see that that product is in the stock, so I'm going to add that. So that product has been added to my cart, and let's place an order maybe for this product as well. So I'm going to add that to my cart as well. So of course, if I want to search for a specific product, I can also use the search function here on the top. And for example, if I search for example, this product as Harmony. So if I search for that and click enter, so now it only shows me the products that have that keyword in them. So you can search by product name or product code or any other specification of the product in that search box. So let's go back to our home page. I'm happy with my shopping cart. Maybe I just want to check out now. So I click on the shopping cart. And from here I can review my order. So I have one quantity of this product and one quantity of this product. I can see the total. This is the unit price. That is a total line value. So for example, if I increase the quantity by 3, as you can see, the unit price stays the same, but I can see the total value for the line. So let's actually put maybe 2 units of this product on order, and I'm going to update my shopping cart with a new quantity. If I need to add comments against a line item, I can leave them here. So I'm going to add a comment here. For example, I don't know, this is a test comment. And okay, so that comment now has been added to that line item, and I'm going to update my shopping cart again, and I'm happy with this order, so I'm going to check out. If I wanted to remove an item, let's say the second one, I changed my mind, I want to remove that, you can just simply click on that X and it's going to remove it from your cart. And of course, if you want to go back and add more items to your cart, you can just always continue shopping. That will take you back to the home page. So let's now check out and go to the next page. So now from here, this is my checkout page. So first thing, account and billing information. So I have my address here, so that's my billing address. And then I can go to the delivery address, so that's my default delivery address. But if I want to send that somewhere else, as for example alternative shipping address, I can change that to ship to a different company, and then I can leave a name here. Otherwise, I can always use my address. And remember, in the very beginning when we looked at the profile, you had your addresses, so you can, if your address changes, you can always go to your profile and change the shipping address from here. So for example, if I have a look here, I can see that my shipping address, my default shipping address is actually Ash Grove in Queensland, and that's why it's showing up here as my shipping address. And of course, if my shipping and billing are the same, I can just simply just tick this, and whatever I have here on the top will be copied here on the bottom. But for now, let's actually change that. I'm just quickly change this one to New South Wales and this one to 2000 and keep that as Australia. So then when we go to shipping method, we have the different options. So for Sydney metro area, there are different options compared to outside Sydney and Melbourne metro area. So depending on your address, you may see different options showing up here. So I'm just going to select, for example, free delivery because I'm in the Sydney metro area. And then we got the payment options. If I'm an account customer with Apromo trading, so basically I have credit terms with the company, I can choose that on account option, and basically once I place the order, then the admins will verify my order and approve it depending on my credit limit. But if I want to make a payment right away on this order, basically as a prepaid, I can select this option. Once you select this option, on the next page, once you confirm your order, the system will take you to the payment portal, which is a secure payment portal. So then you can enter your credit card or debit card details and then process the payment online right away. So basically without any delays, which is a very smooth process. So in this case, I'm just going to select the on account customer. And then under the confirm order section, I can add my purchase order number. If I have an order number, I put, for example, this is my purchase order number. If I want to put more details here, I can put contact phone, delivery date. Ignore this. This is not going to affect the delivery of your order. This is just a suggestion in the system, and basically the customer service will not look at this field. Add notes to the entire order. Remember, we left comments against each line item. So I have test comment here for this line item. But if I want to place an order for the entire order, I can use this box. For example, I can put, for example, some notes here. If there is an attachment, I can upload that here. It can be a PDF file, a Word document, it can be an image. Depending on the scenario, you can actually add any or attach any file that you like. And then I do a final check on my order, and if I'm happy with that, I just simply go confirm order. So once I confirm the order, I'm going to receive an email from Apromo Trading as order confirmation, acknowledging that they received my order. So I will receive that email shortly. And I can also see that my order has been created. There is an order number. When I click on that, it actually shows me the details of my order with its status and all, basically the fulfillment status and also the payment status, because I selected on account. It says it's still unpaid. Fulfillment, I just placed an order, of course hasn't been processed. Invoice hasn't been invoiced yet. And I can see the details of my delivery address, the shipping method, and also if I left any notes. And also I can see here the summary of the items that I had on my order. So if I want to see all the orders that I had so far, remember when you click on your profile, you can go to all orders, and I can see all the orders that I have here with the current status in the system. So as you start using the system, of course, this list will grow, and that's why you have options to put dates. For example, okay, show me the orders that I had maybe in Q1 or maybe the current financial year, and then you can export that to CSV if you need to have that information for your own reporting or in your system. Once the orders are invoiced, of course, we will have an invoice number here showing up, but of course these orders are not invoiced. And if I want to do a quick reorder, I can use these shortcuts from here. So let's say the order that I just created today, a few seconds ago, if I always buy those products in those quantities, I can just simply come back to my order history and simply click on reorder. Would you like to copy order items into shopping cart? Yes, reorder. So basically what the system does is going to copy all the items that we have on that order and just basically place them here. I can still go through and adjust them. I can adjust the quantities, or if I don't want this product, I just get rid of that. This is just basically one step closer to make it faster for you to place your order if you buy products regularly. So let's actually remove that update shopping cart. And this is very similar to those favorite items that we had previously. So if you buy certain products very frequently, you can actually bookmark them and access them much more easier. So this was a quick overview of how the B2B portal works for Apromo Trading. And I hope this video would be helpful.